So what is the difference between both implicit object page and page context? So implicit object holds the reference or the object of this current class JSP equivalent servlet class. Implicit object page holds the reference of current JSP equivalent servlet object, whereas the implicit object page context holds multiple details about multiple details about current JSP program. Like, let me add here this. Okay, this implicit object holds reference of a current JSP current solid object. Means what? This means what? Current class reference is what? This, right? Whereas page context holds multiple details. One of them is this. Then request, response, response object, buffer size, autoflush mode, error page, etc. All the attributes can be accessed by using page context. All the attributes of using page context we can able to access. So let me add next point. Implicit object page useful to differentiate scriptlet tag. What is the scriptlet tag, guys? Right? Right or wrong? Scriptlet tag variable from declaration tag. How do I write declaration tag? Left angle bracket modulo, then exclamatory mark, right? Followed by, you can declare the methods. You can define the methods as well as you can declare the variables. So variable names, when both of them have got same name. Using page context object, we can do multiple operations like getting or receiving, or you can call receiving other implicit objects, creating various scopes of different attributes. So if I open JSP equivalent servlet program of any previous one yesterday, as per the yesterday sessions, let me open recent files. Can I find yes, direct.jsp? So I'll show you here page and page context. Page. So here I've got page context object. Okay, page context. So jakarta.servlet.jsp.PageContext reference. And you got here page. Page is object of object class, and it is holding the reference of this belongs to this means what? This means what? Current class reference, JSP equivalent solid class reference. Is it proved? Is it proved? What are the things I told you just now? This code is not written by me. This code is written by JSP equivalent. Sorry, this code is written by Tomcat. Sorry, JSP container. JSP container of a Tomcat server, right? Of a JSP equivalent solid program. So control shift. So JSP page context. I got the page. I got the page context. Again, I will go. What is the difference between out applications and all? Okay, but keep patience. Out. I got the object of out. No. Page context. So you can do more and page context. So in JSP equivalent. So in JSP equivalent, solid code is so what I'll do, I'll open the same and I'll copy the same because that you will get the feel. So this is page context and this is what? Page, right? I'll remove all this. Okay. Okay, guys. I hope now you are clear. What is the statement I made at the top? They are proved here practically. Okay. Let me open the page context. Let me search for page context. Control C. I'll search for page context here. Once again. Yes. So here is my page context. Okay. And here I'll go with the means what is the information I told you. Okay. So here true. What this true belongs to? Just refer the yesterday's code. I said is thread set. Sorry, is thread set. I said true. Thread information, right? What is this? Current class reference means page. Are you getting request response? Okay. Uh, Actually, here instead of null, it should be my directory.jsp. Directory.jsp. Session is true. The page was in session. 1946. It's a buffer size. What was the buffer size we said yesterday? No. In the program. Let me open yesterday's JSP equivalent solid program. Let me show you. No, in program. Open yesterday's program. Recent files direct.jsp direct. Yes. 19. 19 multiplied by 1024. Convert. How much it will be? Here I will show you. Look here. 19456. Got it? Yesterday we said the direct.jsp as a page. Earlier we said 8, 10, 15, and then we modified it wrong. Are you getting autoflush true? And this autoflush true came to the last parameter. Okay. So I don't give. Already you know about this. Hello. Already you know about this request and response. I'll give this parameter. Underline to this one. This should be here null actually. It is a null. I have not configured error page till now. I have not configured here error page. If you configure error page, that error.jsp, make it underline. Otherwise, I'll take this parameter here. Control C, Control V. What this null is? What this null parameter is? This is error page. You have to configure error page. Maybe error.jsp. error page.jsp. Then it's true. It's true for what? You can make it underline, you can write up. This is session object. Session set to true. This is what? Buffer size. Okay. And what was the last one? Is autoflush. Autoflush. Autoflush true. You can make it underline, you can write it. Done. 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 So here you will find the out object. Out object. Okay. Fine. I'll go to that later.